In this video, we will be solving 10 subtraction problems together. After each problem, we will provide a step-by-step solution to help you understand the process. Make sure to comment below with how many problems you got correct. Let's get started. In this video, we will be solving the problem 98 minus 67 and determining the possible solutions. You have 10 seconds to solve the problem, or feel free to pause the video if you need more time. The options for the solution are A, 31, B, 21, C, 41, D, 29. Correct answer is A. To solve 98 minus 67, subtract 67 from 98. This gives us 31. Thus, the correct answer is 31. All right, here's the problem. 84 minus 59 equals A, 35, B, 30, C, 15, D, 25. You have 10 seconds to solve the problem, or pause if you need more time. Good luck. Correct answer is D. Start with 84, now subtract 59 from it. That's it. Thus, the correct answer is 25. What is 73 minus 48? Is it A, 25, B, 24, C, 23, D, 35? You have 10 seconds to solve the problem. Correct answer is A. Begin by subtracting 8 from 3, which is not possible. So borrow 1 from 70, making it 60, and add 10 to 3, which becomes 13. Now subtract 8 from 13 to get 5. Finally, subtract 4 from 6 to get 2. This gives a result of 25. Thus, the correct answer is 25. What is 92 minus 56? Your possible solutions are A, 46, B, 36, C, 44, D, 148. You have 10 seconds to solve the problem. Good luck. Correct answer is B. Subtract 56 from 92. Therefore, the correct answer is 36. Here's the problem, 81 minus 47. Your possible solutions are A, 35, 44, C, 36, D, 34. You have 10 seconds to solve the problem, or pause if you need more time. Correct answer is D. Let's subtract 47 from 81. Simply state it as 81 minus 47, and when the sum is completed, we find our desired number. Thus, the correct answer is 30 minus 4. Solve the following problem. 69 minus 38. Possible solutions include A, 31, B, 29, C, 30, D, 41. You have 10 seconds to solve the problem, or pause if you need more time. Correct answer is A. Start with 69, deduct 38 from that. The result is 31. Thus, the correct answer is 31. What is 76 minus 49? Your options are A, 37, B, 27, C, 29, D, 47. You have 10 seconds to solve the problem. Good luck. Correct answer is B. Start with the number 76. Subtract 49 from it. Thus, the correct answer is 27. What is 95 minus 66? What is the possible solution? A, 29, B, 31, C, 19, 28. You have 10 seconds to solve the problem. Correct answer is A. Subtract 66 from 95. This gives you 29. Thus, the correct answer is 29. Here's a math problem for you. 88 minus 39. What is the answer? A, 50, B, 48, C, 49, D, 59. You have 10 seconds to solve the problem. Good luck. Correct answer is C. Start with the number 88. Subtract 39 from it. This simplifies the equation to 49. Thus, the correct answer is 49. What is 57 minus 28? Is it A, 27, B, 39, D, 30? You have 10 seconds to solve the problem, or pause if you need more time. Correct answer is C. We begin by subtracting the digits in the ones place, which gives 7 minus 8. As we cannot subtract a larger number from a smaller one, we borrow 1 from the tens place in 57. Now our subtraction becomes 17 minus 8, which equals 9. Next, we subtract the tens place minus 1, since we borrowed 1, which becomes 4 minus 2, equaling 2. Combining the results, we get 29. Thus, the correct answer is 29. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? If you have thoughts for improvements, please share them below. Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.